One night after Jake Arrieta's no-hitter, it's the Cubs and Reds back at it at Great American Ballpark. 1-0 Cubs top three. Dexter Fowler off John Moscott. In comes Adam Duvall. The nifty grab in left field. But top four Duvall nor anybody else in a Reds uniform is going to get to that one. Anthony Rizzo, solo shot to right. Cubs have a 2-0 lead. Later in the inning, how's this for small ball? Runners on the corners. David Ross lays down the squeeze bunt. A run comes in to make it 3-0. Next batter, Jon Lester. Another squeeze bunt. And the Cubs make it 4-0. Now 4-1, top nine, the floodgates open. Javier Baez off the struggling J.J. Hoover. That makes it 5-1 Chicago. Later in the innings, it's now a 7-1 game. Chris Bryant to the gap in right center field. That brings in Jason Hayward on the RBI double. Is there any slowing down the Chicago Cubs? They win it 8-1, their fourth win in 5 games. The Reds drop to 0-5 against the Cubs this season. Jon Lester remains undefeated in 6 career starts against the Reds. He turns in 7 innings of 1-run ball. John Lackey starts for the Cubs on Saturday. He takes on Dan Straley.